Getting rid of odors in your home from pets, smoke, cooking, mold, or any other source can be an exercise in frustration. Some treatments, like ozone generators or AOP, work only temporarily, if at all. Others, like heavy-duty cleaning, repainting, even replacing walls, carpets, or floors, are expensive, inconvenient, and slow. At Glo Green Cleaning, we get it. The old methods simply don't work, which is why we use TAVS, the technologically advanced vapor system, a new and proven process that's faster, safer, doesn't use harsh chemicals, and is environmentally friendly to permanently solve your odor problems with zero headaches or hassle. Because TAVS is 3 times smaller than the molecules of other standard treatments, it penetrates deeper into surfaces to eliminate the source of odors for good. And the best part? The whole process can usually be completed in 24 hours or less. Call to schedule your free home odor analysis today and get rid of stubborn odors for good with Glo Green Cleaning. Guaranteed.